Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I will show you how in just 10 minutes you can be ready as a wedding guest. So let's start. After moisturizing my face, I am using a mint lip balm from Sugar Cosmetics. Then just for my T-zone, as it becomes oily and have large pores, I am using a primer from Lakme. For my dark circles and pigmentations, I am using a peach color corrector called Peach Precedent from Sugar Cosmetics and a green color corrector from Sugar Cosmetics as well called Jade Jockey for my active red acne. You can definitely skip the steps if your dark circles aren't that prominent. A good concealer usually works. To prevent it from mixing with the foundation, I am lightly setting this with a loose powder from K Beauty in shade Vanilla. And then with a damp sponge, I will apply my foundation after dotting all over my face. Here I have mixed two foundations to get a perfect match. I don't take my foundation under my eyes as it causes more layer buildups and can further cause cakiness or creasing. Damp sponge will not pull the correctors underneath, which a brush will. But for my neck and chest area, I am using a brush from Lakme, which is their foundation brush, as here I haven't used any correctors. Then for concealing, I am using a concealer from Lakme. It's their mousse concealer in shade Honey for my under eyes and to spot correct. And blending with the help of my fingers. I haven't taken any extra concealer for my eyelids, just using whatever is left on my fingertips. Still, it has created an even base. To take off any extra product which generally sits on the face and causes crustiness, I am using a toilet paper. A tissue paper or a blotting paper can also be used. If you have laugh lines like me, I suggest puff your face and blot it. Again, I am setting my face focusing on the T-zone with a loose powder from K Beauty and lightly taking the product. After brushing my eyebrows, I am using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil in shade black and brushing it again. I am just filling the sparse areas. Using a tapered blending brush from PAC, I am using the shade No Days Off, which is close to my skin tone, to place the color all over my eyelids. I took Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette. Then, taking a light reddish brown shade called Brown Sugar, I am placing the color with the same brush on my crease area and outer V and flattening it a bit. For the empty space, I have used a shimmery shade called Diamonds for Breakfast with my fingers. For my upper lash line, I am using a waterproof liquid liner from Colorbar. I am drawing a thin line and a small wing. And for lower waterline, I am using a brown kajal from Lakme Iconic to tightline. And the same reddish brown eyeshadow to set and drag it a bit low. Here I took a white eyeshadow from the same palette to highlight my brow bone and inner corners with a flat shader brush. After curling my lashes, I am using one coat of Maybelline mascara as I'll be using falsies anyway. And for false lashes, I have used Swiss Beauty lashes called Royal. If you are contouring, then always follow the direction from the upper part of your ear and stop at the outer corner of eye. I am using Tea Cake from Cuffs and Lashes. I am using the same shade for contouring my forehead and jawline, and if it looks too much, the beauty blender with the foundation residue will give it a seamless blend. For blush, I am using this shade from Cuffs and Lashes Just Say Cheese palette only on the highest point of my cheeks and on my chin and bridge of the nose. To highlight, I am using Frumptious from Cuffs and Lashes again. Many of you may know this trick of applying a brown eyebrow pencil to line the lips. It's a gem technique. Also the corners, and then blending with a flat shader brush. Then, instead of a lipstick, I am using a lip liner from Maybelline called Jade. It's a lovely shade. After using a setting spray to set everything, I'm using a lip gloss from Swiss Beauty and focusing just in the centers of the lips. As if the corners are overly lip glossed, then everything can smear easily. And that's how the look came out. Ready to rock the look? It's amazing.